Today, we'll show you how to properly clean your deck without a pressure washer, saving time, energy, and money with 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. For best results, apply on a cool or overcast day, and your deck should be dry. Mix 30 seconds outdoor cleaner in your favorite sprayer with equal parts water. Avoid pressure washers and hose end attachments that may over-dilute the cleaner and diminish results. Next, be sure to thoroughly saturate the surface you're cleaning until you see pooling of the product, like this, not like this. Be sure to check back a few minutes later to ensure the surface is still wet with product. After the cleaner has set for approximately 5 minutes, lightly brush the surface with a brush or broom in the direction of the grain to work the cleaner into the nooks and crannies. For heavy stains, an additional coating of 30 seconds may be necessary, along with a little more soaking time. If the cleaner is evaporating too quickly, just re-wet the surface with additional cleaner to keep it active and working. Once you see your desired results, simply hose off the surface. If there was any overspray on the surrounding plants or foliage, give them a quick rinse too. 30 seconds is safe to use on a variety of outdoor surfaces, including natural or composite wood, vinyl, metal, and even canvas awnings. Click here for more information or to find out where you can purchase 30 seconds cleaners.